Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for any LG Smart TV owner, the ZYK Universal Remote Control. A replacement for the AKB7509530 series, and yes, it comes in a convenient pack of 2. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with a missing or broken remote, this could be exactly what you need. From the moment you hold this remote, you can tell it's built with quality in mind. Made from high-grade ABS material and silicone, it's resistant to falls, doesn't carry any strange odors, and feels comfortable in your hand. The buttons are soft yet highly responsive, making navigation smooth and effortless. Its compact, ergonomic design means it's easy to grip, so it won't slip out of your hands even during those intense movie nights or binge-watching sessions. This universal remote offers full compatibility with all LG Smart TVs, including OLED, LED, LCD, and even 3D models, covering every TV model from AKB 75,095,307 to AKB 75,375,604, AKB 75675,304, and beyond. You won't have to worry about setup or programming. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and you're ready to go. The infrared functionality ensures that you get instant response from your TV. With a transmitting distance of up to 12 meters, and the smart chip guarantees the fastest reaction time of less than 0.2 seconds. Over 160,000 clicks have been tested to ensure durability and reliability, so this remote isn't just a temporary fix, it's built to last. One standout feature of this ZYK remote is its high performance in replicating all the original functions of your LG TV remote. That includes volume, channel switching, menu navigation, and more. Plus, it comes with 2 handy shortcut buttons for Netflix and Prime Video, giving you quick access to your favorite streaming services without the hassle of navigating through menus. Whether you need a backup for emergencies or a complete replacement for your old, broken remote, this universal remote is a cost-effective and practical solution. The pack of 2 adds extra value, ensuring you always have a spare on hand. And in case of any issues, ZYK provides a 90-day return and refund service, offering peace of mind with your purchase. Overall, the ZYK Universal Remote Control is an excellent combination of quality, convenience, and functionality. It's simple to use, durable, and fully compatible with your LG Smart TV, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their TV watching experience. If you've been struggling with remote control issues, this replacement is worth considering. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and insights.